I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to be doing the Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale haul. So it's around like 8 o'clock right now and I have some few stuff right here. I think I bought it like 2 days ago. I couldn't film it when it arrived, so I'm doing the haul right now for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here's the package I got. So yeah, I'm so excited to do this haul, like the first haul in my YouTube channel, so I'm so excited. I'm opening my first package now. So I've almost isolated it for like 48 hours and I've sanitized it very well. And this is the first product. I'm just going to keep this aside. This is the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. So this is on like $5.75 after off. Okay, this is the packaging. Outer packaging inside. This is in the shade 03 Warm Sand. If you want me to try this shade on my skin tone, I will use it in my next video, so you can check it out. Most probably it will be like eye looks, different eye looks, so stay tuned. Then the next product is this Lakme's lip gloss. This is in the shade Bubblegum. It smells so good. It has a glossy finish. So I can try it out if you're like a lip gloss girl, you can try this. So I'm opening the second package right now. The Hot Pink sale is actually over, but there are top offers. You can go check that out. I'll link all the products down below, so you can check it out. And the first product in the second package is this Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. This I bought it for my mom. I don't use it because it's anti-aging and just a teen now, so yeah. She's not a huge fan of cosmetics or skincare, but when she saw this, she loves it. Like, she loves it. It's a like 6th time purchasing this, so yeah. I'm gonna be showing you the inside packaging also. So this is the inside packaging. For like 195 rupees, it's not bad. Its actual pricing for 260 rupees. I got it for 195. I think it lasts you about a month and its quantity is also very good. So this is the second product of this packaging. This is the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick. This is in the shade 07 Toffee, Toffee Chisel. So this is the foundation and contour stick. So mine is a really round face. I thought it doesn't suit my face, but I thought let's give it a try and I purchased this. The next product is this Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio. This is the highlighter. This is in the shade 050 Rose Gold. So pigmented. Then the next product is this Nykaa's lipstick. This is the Soap Creamy Matte Lipstick. So this is in the shade Nailed It. So I'm just going to open it. Wow. So I'll just show you. Smells so good. This shade is like as shown on the Nykaa's website. It is almost similar to this shade. And the next product is the Nykaa's Rock the Line Kajal. waterproof, smudge proof and transfer proof. So I always buy the Maybelline New York's Kajal, but I thought of why don't I give it a try for the Nykaa's Kajal, so I bought this. And the next product is this Nykaa's Nail Enamel Nail Polish. So this is in the shade Licac Cupcake 73. Okay, I really love the pastel shades you get. So I bought this nail polish. It's a really good color. The next product I bought is this Nykaa's Nail Enamel again. This is in the shade Espresso Shot 169. It's actually the same color, right? So yeah, the same dress I'm wearing. The same shade. I think I'm taking some photos. To the next product. Then I bought this K Beauty's Nail Nourish Nail Polish. This is in the shade Bittersweet 22. I really love this shade also. As I said, I like nude colors. So the next product is this Lakme 925 Pure Rogue Blusher. Okay, this is in the shade Nude Flush. It's a really nice color. So I get it with this tiny little brush. You can see it's so soft. Then this is the shade. Then the last product is this Nykaa's Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick. You go, girl. The packaging is so cute. So you get this like a cushion thing.
"2,000 years later."
You can use it on your cheek and your lips. So I love this product. Okay. Yeah. Since I'm wearing a dark shade, I cannot use it. I cannot show you guys. But I'll definitely use it in my other videos. You can check it out. Then I'm going for the third packaging. So this is the third packaging. So in this whole big box, there's only one product. Like literally only one product. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Aroma. So this is the body wash. In this Love Beauty and Planet, you get body lotions and shampoos. You can try that out also. This is the other product which I ordered in my last order in Nykaa only, in the Nykaa website. I bought it like 3-4 months ago. This is the Tea Tree and Vetiver Aroma body wash. And I had one more. The pink color packaging which you get, that's the Muru Muru Butter, I don't remember, but that is also really good. I love it. It was out of stock, so I didn't get it, and this was also out of stock. I got only this one. Like literally half of them was like out of stock, so I didn't get it. So I thought, why don't I give it a try, this one. It smells so good, you guys. I know you can't smell it, but you should try it out. Been using this body wash since like 8 months. Yeah, 8 months. I am loving this product. Like the Muru Muru Butters was out of stock, or else I would have definitely ordered it, but it was out of stock. I can't do anything. The best part about this body wash, it's vegan, organic coconut oil and natural coconut water with plant-based cleansers. So yeah, I think this is the last product of this haul. I hope you guys loved it, and if you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications once I upload every video. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye.